How to fix Telegram. Not sending code. Follow these steps to resolve issues with Telegram not sending verification codes. Check where the code is sent. Telegram often sends the code to another logged-in device, not directly to SMS. If you have access to your other device, check there for the code. If not, tap Didn't get the code or get a code via SMS to request the code via text. Reinstall or update Telegram. Open the Play Store, search for Telegram, and ensure the app is installed and updated to the latest version. Clear Cache tap and hold the Telegram app. Go to App Info, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Reopen the app and try again. Check network connection. Ensure your internet is stable. Restart your phone to refresh the connection. Contact Telegram support. If none of these steps work, reach out to Telegram's support team for assistance. By following these steps, you should resolve the issue.